Mastering your English, understanding, on top of the game. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, on top of the game. This expression is widely used in both casual and professional settings, but what does it really mean? Stay tuned as we break it down for you, ensuring you can use it confidently in your conversations. The phrase, on top of the game, is used to describe someone who is performing at their best level in a particular field or activity. It implies that the person is excelling, achieving great results, and perhaps even outperforming their peers. This can be related to various contexts, such as work, sports, or any other activity that involves skill and competition. While the exact origin of "on top of the game" is not clear, it's believed to have stemmed from sports, where being physically on top or ahead of others is a clear indicator of success. Over time, this expression has transcended its literal meaning and is now applied in numerous scenarios, ranging from professional achievements to everyday tasks. Understanding the context in which it's used is crucial. Saying someone is on top of their game in a work environment suggests they are not only meeting but exceeding job expectations. In a more casual setting, it might simply mean someone is exceptionally good at a video game or hobby. To help you grasp how to use "on top of the game," let's look at some examples. In a professional context, despite the increasing competition, their company remains on top of the game by innovating and providing exceptional service. In sports, the player has been on top of his game this season, breaking records and leading his team to victory. In personal improvement, ever since she started her new diet and exercise routine, she's really been on top of her game. These examples show that the phrase can be versatile, fitting seamlessly into various sentences to express excellence and high performance. Incorporating "on top of the game" into your everyday English can make your speech more colorful and expressive. Here are a few tips. 1. Recognize achievements. Use it to compliment someone who has done something impressive. 2. Self-motivation. Motivate yourself and others by highlighting the importance of staying on top of the game in your respective fields. 3. Encourage continuous improvement. It's a great phrase to encourage someone to keep improving, to not just reach but stay at the top of their game. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of "on top of the game." Remember, learning English is an ongoing journey, and understanding phrases like this one can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, keep practicing, stay curious, and always strive to be on top of your language learning game. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. See you in our next video.